Hi everyone, welcome to Easy Classes. Are you facing issue while connecting to the internet? Your Wi-Fi shows connected, but you are not able to browse anything on your browser. When you try to open any website, it will show the error like no internet, this site can't be reached, and other error messages. So in this video, I will show you how to fix this issue. So close your browser, go to search for control panel, open it. Here, search for internet options. In the internet options, click on the connections tab. On the bottom of that window, click on the LAN settings. Here, check is your proxy server is automatic or it's manually entered. If it's manually entered, just uncheck that box and select the option automatically detect settings. If proxy is assigned manually, it will not connect to the internet. That's why we need to keep this as automatic always. So then click on OK. Again in the connections window, check is any VPNs are added. Dial up and virtual private network settings. If it's added, just select that option and click on remove. Then click on OK. And in the same window, come to the advanced tab. Here, click on this restore advanced settings. It will reset to the original default settings. So click on this restore advanced settings button. After that, click on apply and OK. Close the window and check you are able to browse, access internet. If in your case it's not working, let's move to the next method. Check is there any manual IP address are assigned to your network. To do so, on the bottom, click on that Wi-Fi option. Click on this icon, more Wi-Fi settings. Click on this properties. Here it will show IP assignment. It's telling manual. So manually added these IP address to your network. Some of the system it will not work if you are assigned manual IP addresses. So edit the settings. Here there will be option manual. You just select automatic DHCP and save the option. See, IP assignment is automatic now. Close the window and check for your internet. If you are still not able to access to the internet, we need to troubleshoot to the network. For that, go to search for settings, open it, click on system, scroll down, there is an option troubleshoot, click on that, click on other troubleshooters. Here there will be an option network and internet. Just click on this run to begin the troubleshooter. My issue is fixed, that's why it's telling you are connected. In your case, if it is not connected means it will troubleshoot the issues in the background, and if it is not able to fix the issues in the back end, it will give you the solutions here. You have to follow the steps. After that, close the troubleshooter, restart the laptop and check for the internet. If you are still unable to access to the internet, we need to reset the WinSock administrator permissions. Run as administrator. Click on this. In the command prompt, type netsh space WinSock space reset. The enter key. It will reset the WinSock catalog. Next one is IP reset. So netsh space int space IP space reset. Hit the enter key. IP has been resetted. Next we can reset IPv4. Again netsh space int space IPv4 space reset. Hit the enter key. Those also resetted. We can clear the DNS cache. For that, ipconfig space // DNS. Hit the enter. Successfully DNS cache is removed. We can release and renew the IP address. For that, ipconfig /release. Hit the enter key. Current IP address is released. So again, when we do this ipconfig /renew, it will acquire the new IP address. Exit the command prompt and restart the laptop once. After restarting, check you are able to connect to the internet. I hope one of these fixes will definitely work for your issue. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you for watching.